Question number 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. According to the question, we need to construct a circle of radius 4 cm. So let us do that first. So here this distance measures 4 cm. Let the pointer be kept over here. So let us construct a circle. This circle is of radius 4 cm and let this point be the center. I am naming it O. Next, we are asked to draw a concentric circle of radius 6 cm. Now, concentric circle are circles which have the same center. So, here with center O, I drew a circle of radius 4 cm. With the same center O, I am going to construct a circle of radius 6 cm over here. This is 6 cm. तो point O पर रखना है और एक circle draw करना है. So here we have constructed concentric circles. One is of radius 4 cm and the other is of 6 cm. अब हमें ये कहा है कि इस सर्कल पे कहीं पर भी एक पॉइंट लेना है और उस पॉइंट से टैंजेंट कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है 4 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस वाले सर्कल पे. तो यहाँ पर एक पॉइंट ले लेते हैं, पॉइंट P. The next step we are going to join O and P. और उसके बाद हम लाइन सेगमेंट OP को बाइसेक्ट करेंगे. फॉर दैट टेक योर कंपास, कीप इट एट पॉइंट P लाइक दिस एंड विथ द रेडियस दैट मेजर्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली मोर देन हाफ दिस मेजरमेंट आपको एक आर्क ऊपर की ओर ड्रॉ करना है और एक आर्क नीचे की ओर ऐसे ड्रॉ करना है एंड देन कंस्ट्रक्ट another arc to intersect the previously drawn arcs like so. So here we have the points of intersection and let us join these two points carefully like so. So here this is the perpendicular bisector of line segment OP and let this point be midpoint N. Now let us measure OM. OM को रेडियस मान के M को सेंटर लेकर एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है. वो सर्कल जो है वो एग्जैक्टली पॉइंट P से पास होगा क्योंकि OM और OP दोनों सेम मेजरमेंट का है बिकॉज M इज़ द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ OP. नाउ एज यू कैन सी हियर वी हैव one point of intersection over here and this is the other point of intersection. So यहाँ पर let this be point A and let this point be point B. अब next PB और PA को join करना है carefully like this. PB is a tangent. We are only told to construct one tangent, but it's okay if we construct a pair of tangents. Yes. So like so. We have constructed a pair of tangents from a point P, which is a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm. Now next we are told to measure this tangents. So here as you can see PA, it measures approximately 4.5 cm. It is not exactly 4.5. It is between 4.4 and 4.5. So we can take it as 4.5 centimeter. Next let us measure PB. And here as you can see PB also is somewhere approximately equal to 4.5 centimeter. Exactly 4.5 नहीं है but still we can take it approximately equal to 4.5 centimeter. So by measurement we got PA is equals to PB, which is equals to 4.5 centimeter approximately. In the question, we are told to verify the measurement by actual calculation. In triangle PBO, angle PBO is equals to 90 degree because OB is the radius and PB is the tangent. As you can see over here, you need to join OB and OA using dotted lines like this, and here angle PBO is equals to 90 degree. You can also measure this with the help of a protractor. As you can see over here, this is exactly 90 degree like so. सो यहाँ पे ये जो एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टैंजेंट. सो यहाँ पर हमने ये रीज़न लिख दिया. अब राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल है जिसमें पी ओ जो है वो 6 सेंटीमीटर का है अकॉर्डिंग टू कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड ओ बी जो है वो 4 सेंटीमीटर का है बिकॉज दीज आर द रेडियस ऑफ द गिवन सर्कल्स. सो यहाँ पर हम लोग पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे ओ पी स्क्वायर, दिस is the hypotenuse, OP square will be equals to OB square plus PB square, right? OP square is equals to OB square plus PB square. अब जो values हमें already पता है वो substitute कर देंगे. So here 6 square is equals to 4 square plus PB square. For this let us rearrange to find the value of PB square. We get PB square is equals to 20. तो यहाँ पर PB जो है इट विल बी इक्वल टू रूट ऑफ 20, विल टेक पॉजिटिव रूट. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 2√5. अब यहाँ पर 20 को हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 4 into 5. So root of 20 will also be equal to root of 4 into 5. We know that this can be written as root of 4 into root of 5. So root 4 यानी कि 2 into root 5 as it is. So this is equals to 2√5. And let us substitute the value of root 5, which is 2.2360 approximately. So यहाँ पर 2 into 2.236 जब करेंगे then we will get approximately 4.472. So here we got the value of PB almost similar. We got this as 4.5 सेंटीमीटर, बट इट वॉज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. सो यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं दिस इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इक्वल टू 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. So that is what we got as the answer. So we know that we have verified our construction by actual calculation also. Question number 3. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter, each at a distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points P and Q. So according to the question, we are asked to construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. तो सबसे पहले एक सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट कर लेते हैं. द रेडियस शुड बी इक्वल टू 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो हियर आई हैव टेकन अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर. लेट दिस पॉइंट बी द सेंटर एंड आई एम नेमिंग इट पॉइंट ओ. और यहाँ पर रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर लेकर एक सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है लाइक दिस. नाउ फर्दर इन द क्वेश्चन वी आर टोल्ड to take 2 points P and Q, which are points on the extended diameter of the circle, and they are at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. तो यहाँ पर सेंटर से 7 सेंटीमीटर लेना है. So over here I have point P and here 7 centimeter from the center like this. Here I have point Q. तो ये जो दोनों पॉइंट्स है वो सेंटर से 7 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पर है. अब इन पॉइंट्स से हमें टैंजेंट्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करने हैं. तो लेट अस जॉइन OP and let us join OQ like so. So I can take a straight line and I'll take a point Q over there yes. So here I have point Q. ये जो point है ये point Q. So now we'll have to construct tangents. So for that, measure more than half this distance like this, and we are going to construct a perpendicular bisector of OP like this. Similarly, taking more than half this distance like this, let us construct two arcs. This is the same radius, there is no change in the radius. You all know how to construct a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Next, let us join these 2 points, and we got the midpoint of line segment PO. Let this be point M, and here on joining these 2 points we get the midpoint of line segment OQ. Over here let this point be point M. अब पहले हम M को सेंटर मानेंगे और एक सर्कल कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. द रेडियस विल बी इक्वल टू MP, which is also equal to MO. So let us construct a circle like this with point N. Similarly, from point N, let us construct a circle having radius equals to ON, which is also equals to OQ because N is the midpoint. So यहाँ पर circles construct कर लिए हैं. अब हमें point of intersection जो मिल गया है, let us name them. Let this be A, B, C and point D. तो अब यहाँ पर हम PA को join कर लेते हैं like this carefully. PA is a tangent. Similarly, joining point P and point B, we get the other tangent. Joining Q and C, we get the tangent to circle from point Q, and QD को भी join कर लेते हैं like this. So here we have constructed tangents from points on the diameter which are at a distance of 7 cm from the center, PA, PB, QC and QD. These are the required tangents.